Zombie Survival Guide. Do not make these deadly mistakes. The Wasteland's unwritten laws. In the New World, there are no second chances. The margin for error has been erased. More survivors are killed by their own simple, avoidable mistakes than by any walker, horde, or raider gang. These are the unwritten laws of the Wasteland, the deadly sins of the apocalypse. Understanding them is not just a tactical advantage. It is a prerequisite for drawing your next breath. This is not a list of suggestions. This is a list of testimonials. Now for the 7 deadly sins of the apocalypse. Number 1. Noise. Sound is a dinner bell for the dead and a beacon for the desperate living. A dropped can, a loud argument, an unsilenced gunshot, each one is a potential death sentence. Number 2. Hesitation. The moment you need to act is now. Hesitating to take down a walker, to abandon a compromised position, or to deal with a bitten group member will get you and everyone around you killed. Number 3. Sentimentality. The world that was is gone. Clinging to a photograph, a childhood home, or a bitten loved one is a fatal weakness. You must be willing to let go of everything to survive. Number 4. Complacency. Survival is a 24/7 job. The moment you feel safe, the moment you stop checking the perimeter, the moment you believe you've made it, that is the moment the wasteland will kill you. Number 5. Waste. Every bullet, every drop of water, every calorie is a precious, irreplaceable resource. Wasting supplies through poor planning or carelessness is a slow-motion suicide. Number 6. Ignorance. Not knowing how to clean a wound. Start a fire without a lighter or read a simple map will kill you. Pride in your old-world skills is useless. The wasteland demands new knowledge. Number 7. Despair. The greatest threat is not external. It is the loss of hope. Despair leads to mistakes, to giving up. The will to survive is your most important weapon. Let's cover some of the concerns, known as a threat analysis, the enemy within. The primary threat these mistakes expose you to is yourself. A walker is a predictable obstacle. A raider is a tactical problem, but your own poor decisions, your own emotional weaknesses, your own lack of discipline. These are the enemies that follow you into every locked room, that sleep beside you at every watch, and that can bring your entire world crashing down from the inside. The battle against the dead is secondary to the battle against your own worst instincts. Let's discuss the tactical application, which we will call the discipline doctrine. Number 1. Move silently. Wrap noisy gear in cloth, wear soft-soled shoes, communicate with hand signals, treat every moment as if you are being hunted. Number 2. Plan ahead. Never enter a building without a known exit. Never fire a shot without a reason. Never set up camp without a watch schedule. Number 3. Travel light. Learn heavy. Carry only what is essential. Your knowledge is your greatest asset because it weighs nothing. Number 4. The one-strike rule. Establish clear, unbreakable rules for your group before a crisis. This includes protocols for dealing with a bite, rationing supplies, and conflict resolution. Hesitation is born from uncertainty. A clear plan eliminates it. Let's dive into a case study. The sentimental souvenir. A survivor, scavenging a ruined pharmacy, finds a music box that reminds them of their lost child. It's heavy and useless, but they take it. Days later, while sneaking past a sleeping horde in a library, the music box falls from their pack. The soft, tinkling melody echoes in the silence. Every head in the room snaps towards the sound. The survivor is torn apart, killed not by a walker, but by a memory they refused to leave behind. Now for the conclusion. The cost of a mistake. Every other scenario we analyze is a tactical problem with a potential solution. These mistakes are different. They are fundamental failures of character and discipline. Avoiding them is not about having the right gear or the best fortress. It is about forging yourself into the kind of person who is worthy of survival. In the wasteland, you are your own first line of defense and your own greatest enemy. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Wasteland Wisdom, and stay safe out there, survivors.